In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permission as admin in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give someone full admin access to a sheet while keeping the process clear and safe. Start by opening the sheet where you want to adjust permissions. Look to the top right corner of the sheet and find the Share button. This is your central place for managing who can access the sheet and what they can do. Go ahead and click Share. A sharing window will open. If you see options for different items, make sure you're sharing the sheet itself. Select the sheet if prompted, so you're applying the permission in the right place. In the Share panel, you'll see a field where you can type the person, group, or team you want to add. You can enter a name, a group, or an email address. For privacy and security, always use valid work-approved contact information and avoid sharing any sensitive personal details. To the right of that field, there's a drop-down menu. This is where you choose the permission level. Click the drop-down and you'll see the available roles. Select Admin. Choosing Admin gives the person broad control over the sheet, including things like managing columns, permissions, and structure. It's a powerful role intended for trusted collaborators who help maintain the sheet. If you don't see Admin as an option, it usually means your own permission level doesn't allow granting admin access, or the sheet is restricted by your organization's settings. Before finalizing, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct person or group and that admin is the intended level. This simple pause helps prevent accidental over-permissioning. When everything looks right, click Share. That's it. The person or group is now granted admin access to this sheet. A quick tip: use groups when you need to give admin access to several people at once. It keeps things consistent and makes updates easier over time. Also, if you're collaborating with someone temporarily, consider whether admin is truly necessary, or if editor-level access would cover their needs. Keeping permissions as minimal as possible helps maintain data integrity and avoids unwanted changes. To recap, open your sheet, click the Share button at the top right, make sure you're sharing the sheet, enter the name, group, or email of the collaborator. Use the drop-down to pick Admin, and then click Share to apply the change. With these steps, you can confidently manage who has full control of your Smartsheet and keep your project moving smoothly.